the plug tool, not including straight out of the tree with a rapid motion. Leaving the tire plug behind, do not twist the needle. Pull the plunger tool straight out your tire with a rapid motion, leaving the tire plug behind. Okay. Let's see if it works. This one was cheap too, because it wasn't even like one of the fat ones. Here it is. This is what flattened my tire. See, the head of it was destroyed. Like somebody put it there on purpose almost. Like it was a sabotage. Because I don't see how this flip up and put a screw in my tire, flatten my tire. Should be at 30 PSI now. Found a 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter nut. That's a good sign. I'm at 30. I think that's good enough. What's that? Oh,